Welcome to this video where I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how to install and set up your app, Calculator Action Automation for Workflows. Once you're in your account, navigate to App Marketplace, search for the app and click on it. Then click on Install and head over to Allow and Install and click on it. When you are done installing, reload your page and search for the custom page of the app and click on it. Then you're going to have the interface of the app with all its necessary features, such as the documentation, and everything you need to get started with the app is right in here. We have the Smart Queue video that is going to guide you on how to get the necessary credentials to set up your app. We have the app setup. Let's walk you through how to set up your app. Click on Start Setup, insert your email, click on Complete Setup, and your app will be successfully configured. We have the support center where you'll be able to create a ticket and book a call for our support team. And an interesting feature, which is a change log, that is going to enable you to track updates and improvements made on this app. And to receive emails, toggle on the email notification button, insert your email, and you click on subscribe. You've learned how to set up and configure your support team is available for more guides and tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.